Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at setting up an AWS billing alarm to alert us to when we've spent a certain amount on the AWS platform. This can help you prevent overspending. Say if you leave an EC2 instance running, you'll get an email saying you've spent a certain amount this month. Let's jump into the console and get started. Right, so we've logged into the AWS Management Console, and the first thing we're going to do is click up here and go to My Billing Dashboard. Next we're going to go to Budgets, and here we can set up budgets for our account. So we're going to create a budget, and we want a cost budget for our billing alarm. And the name for our budget can be account spend. And we have a period of monthly, so this renews every month. And we're going to set our budget amount to $10. So if we exceed $10, or if we're going to exceed $10, then this budget will alert us. It's going to recur every month, so at the first of every month, the budget will go back down to 0, and then it'll increment again. And we're going to include all our costs, all our AWS account costs, all our taxes and other credits will be accounted for in this budget. So next step is going to configure alerts, and we're going to configure 2 alerts. Our first alert will be if our forecasted costs are 80% of the budgeted amount, and we're going to put in our email address here. Next we can set up a new alert, and we're going to say that if our actual costs are 90% of the budgeted amount, then we're also going to send an email. So we're getting an email when we think, or when the system thinks we're going to reach $8, and then we'll get an email when we actually reach $9. So we'll get 2 emails so we can log in and see why we're spending up to our budget. It might be fine, or we might have left something running which we should be stopping. So once we're happy with that, we can go confirm budget, and this will give you a summary. So we're budgeting $10 and we have our 2 alerts. And there you go, it's that simple. So now we have a budget, and we'll get emailed when our costs are close to the budget to our target email address. AWS have an older way of doing this, which is done via CloudWatch Alarms. So to do this, you need to go to CloudWatch, and then from CloudWatch you can click on the billing section, and this will ask you to switch to the other region. So the North Virginia region manages the billing, and then you click on billing again, and this is the typical older billing alarms that you may be used to before budgets came along. And from this point we can go create alarm, and here we have our estimated charge, and we can say when my total estimated AWS charge for the month exceeds $5, say, it's going to send a notification to an SNS list. So if you already have a SNS list, you will get a drop down like I just did. If not, you can make a new one by pasting in your email address, and it'll create a new SNS topic to send you the billing alarm. And then we might treat missing data as missing there. So once we created the alarm here, we'll get this SNS confirmation box. We need to pop over to our emails, and we see it's being created here, and we're just going to confirm the subscription there. Here we can see we have an SNS subscription confirmed. I'm going to pop back to the console, and it's being confirmed here. So that's really how simple it is to set up a billing alarm, an older type billing alarm, which is perfectly fine, or if you want to use the new budgets, the AWS budgets, that gives you more flexibility by limiting down what services or tags you would like to do budgets on. Say if you wanted to budget your EC2 and the rest of your accounts separately, you could do that. or if you wanted just a simple billing alarm to notify you when you're going to spend more than $5, you know, it's really quite simple to do. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.